A delayed reply from Freecash support doesn't necessarily mean your ticket was ignored. It often means your request is waiting in the support queue, or requires additional review before an agent can respond. By the end of this, you'll know how to improve your chances of getting a response, what information to include, and what mistakes can slow the process down. Start by checking whether your support request was actually submitted. Look for a confirmation message or email if one is normally provided, and make sure you contacted support through the official support channel linked from your Freecash account. If your ticket was submitted successfully, avoid sending the same request over and over. Creating multiple tickets about the same issue can make conversations harder to follow, and may delay a resolution because support has to sort through duplicate messages. Instead, update your existing ticket if you have new information. The quality of your message also matters. Explain the problem in a clear timeline. State what happened, when it started, what device you're using, and what troubleshooting steps you've already completed. If the issue involves an offer, include the offer name and screenshots showing your progress. If it's a withdrawal issue, include the relevant transaction details available in your account. Screenshots are one of the most helpful things you can provide. Capture the full error message instead of only part of the screen, and make sure important information is readable. That gives support a better chance of identifying the problem without asking for more evidence. Also, check your email inbox, spam folder, and any in-app messages. Sometimes support replies through a different channel than users expect, and missed responses can make it look like no one has answered. If your issue requires account verification, respond using the same email address connected to your Freecash account. Using different email addresses during the same case can create unnecessary confusion. While you're waiting, avoid creating another account to work around the issue. That can trigger additional account reviews and make the original problem more difficult to resolve. If your problem affects many users at the same time, such as a platform outage or widespread technical issue, support may take longer because they're handling a larger number of requests. To sum it up, submit one clear support ticket, include screenshots and relevant account details, monitor all reply channels, and update your existing case instead of creating duplicates. Next, save screenshots whenever you run into a problem on Freecash, so you'll already have the information support is most likely to request. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Freecash troubleshooting guides, and check out our other videos covering withdrawals, offer tracking, and account recovery.